Hello Fatma, how are you? Good. I'm fine, my dear. I'm fine too. So, what were you doing? Oh, that's very good. That's you really act like a responsible girl. You know, responsible people always do their duties on time. That's very good. Yes, that you prepare all the things before the activity. Wow, that's great. You also help your mother in dusting? Oh, what happened to your mother? That's very good yet that you take care of your mother. What about your younger sister? Who take care of your younger sister when your mother is sick? Okay. You also have an elder sister. You also have an elder sister. What's her name? Okay. Okay. So Nafi Shafi had they have they have a younger they have an elder sister as well. Oh, no, my dear. Mother never disturb from the children. Though the children are naughty sometimes, though they disturb the mother and tease the mother, but for that she didn't die. She maybe died for with some other reason. It's okay. Last year, don't be sad. Just pray for her. Okay, good. So how your mother is feeling now? Did she took some medicine? Okay, did she take? Okay, she takes some medicine. Good. She's feeling. Wow, that's very good. That's very nice. What about your father? Did he help you in the kitchen? Hmm. Yes, you are right. The oven is very hot, and you can't get out the things by yourself. So it's better to need to take the help from your parents or from someone who is elder than you. Okay, who is elder? Yes, dear. Yeah, and it's very painful. You know, in today's lesson, we are going to we will read about the sharp things, about the things that may burn us, and how we can take care of ourselves. So today we will read in our circle. Yes, I know, but right now I'm talking about your circle time. So let's begin the class. Okay, what we will read today, we will read a reader taking care. Okay, and in that reader, we will discuss about the sharp things, about the things that may be harmful for us, and how we can take care of ourselves, and how we carefully we can use that things and keep ourselves safe from that things. Yes, ma'am. Yes, dear. I'm listening to you. Please go ahead. Okay. Okay, you were the only very fast. You were the only who riding the cycle very fast. That's good. And you won the race? Oh, that's good. For that you got a trophy. Okay. Let's begin the class. Okay. Um, okay. Maha, is my screen is my screen is visible to you? Okay. Keeping well, taking care. What is the today we will start the reader taking care. Good girl. Okay. Can you please read? T. It's the what is the beginning sound of the word? T. Taking care. Now, now looking after me. Mom looking after me. Okay. Can you please read? Start reading now from here. Mom and dad. Mom and. Please read the words very carefully, Maham. Focus. Look. 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 Looked. After. Well done. Okay, I think someone is here. Let me see who's here with us. Okay, hello Kartikesh, how are you? Welcome to the class. Okay, Kartikesh, you are a little bit late. Try to be on time from tomorrow, okay? We have just start our new reader taking care. Right now we are reading it. Let me show it to you. Okay, first of all, tell me what is the date today, children? 22nd of October. Today is very good. 22nd of October, and what is the day? Day. Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Today is Thursday. Well done. Yeah, tomorrow it will be Friday. Okay, Kartikesh. So let's begin from the from beginning. Okay, this is the Kartikesh. This is the title of the reader taking care. Yes, Kartikesh. Can you please start reading? Looking after me. Baby, yes. This is what happened, children, when you can't take care of yourself when you are young. So your parents take care of you. Yes, Maham. Read. But. But. Very good, Kartikesh. But right now, this is Maham's turn. Maham, please read. But I am. But big now. Yes. When you grow up, you become independent. And it's good try to be less dependent on others. Try to do your more work more by yourself. Okay. Yes, Kartikesh, read. Nice. Yes, sharp things can cut you. Okay. No, tell me so. We should try to stay, uh, as these things are very sharp, scissors, tin can, knife, razors. Look, razor. So we should try to stay away from these things, and even if we use these things, we should use them very carefully. Okay? What happened if we, okay, what happened if we didn't use the sharp things carefully? Yes, we will hurt ourselves. Who are there? Okay, let's wait for the Nafi and Shafi. Yes, my dear, you were right. Hello, Nafi and Shafi. Why you were late? You were 9 minutes late. We have already started the readers. Please, all of you, try to be on time because there is only we have 1 hour and we have to cover so many things in this 1 hour. So try to be on time. Right now we are reading. We have just started our new reader, taking care. Okay. So this is our reader taking care. Okay, screen is visible to all of you. So, okay. Yes, Nafe, please read. Yes, Shafe. Burn. Good. Hot things can burn my skin. Like what? Iron, toaster, kettle. It hurts, yeah, when it burns, it hurts a lot when it burns. It is very painful. But when you got, but when it burn, it okay, you can put medicine on it and it will heal up. Okay. Yes, Maham. Thank you, Kartikesh. Thank you. But right now, this is Maham's turn. So please wait for your turn. Thank you. Yes, Maham. Can you please read? Good. Very good. I take the egg. Take. of my skin. Yes, keep reading, please. I take care of my skin and my eyes. Yes, read the next word that is written after the eyes. W and when. WH sounds W. EN sounds N. When. I am. Yes, you can read it. Read it. I am. Read the next word. You can read it. I am in the sun. I take I take care of my skin and my eyes when I am in the sun. Okay, now tell me, so what things do we use when we go out in the summer? Good, very good. Very good. Yes, sun cream, sunblock. Very. I always put on sun cream. Sun is strong. It can burn your skin. So that's why we use the sun cream. Very good. We wear shorts, we wear hat, we wear sunglasses, and what precautions should we take? What as precautions we should take? We should drink as much as water as possible so that we don't get sunstroke. Yes, dear. You take the toys as well? Yeah, right now they are on the beach. So we wear the shorts, we wear the t-shirts, we wear the flippers, or we wear the boots. Yes, we wear the hat. Yes, Nafe Shafe, do we wear the boots or flipper? Well, flipper, your slippers. Good. Okay. Yes, Nafe. Cut my skin. Yes, start to bleed. If you fall and you get injured and start bleeding, don't worry. Clean it and apply medicine on it. Okay, yes, Kartikesh, can you please read? Mum cleans. Good. Mum cleans my cut and puts on a plaster. Yes, very good. Mum cleans my cut and puts on a plaster. Mum says a plaster helps to keep the germs out. Yes, when we put the or when we apply the medicine on the wound or when we apply the medicine on the wound, the medicine keep the germs out. Okay, yes, Shafe, your turn. Skin heals itself. hard, scab, 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 scab. Scab is, I told you, you know, when the wound start heals, the scab come over. It's a hard skin of a red color. When the wound starts healing, that hard skin comes over it. That's called scab. You can also see it in the picture. Kartikesh, can you see a scab in the picture on that boy's knee? You also got a scab on your knee. Yeah, it's usually happen when you play, you fall down. When the wound start heals. Yes, yes, Nafin. No, no, wound is a zakhm. Wound. Wound is a zakh. That is, you call him a hard skin, red hard skin. That comes when the wound starts healing. जब जख्म भरना शुरू होता है तो उसके ऊपर वो रेड कलर की स्किन आ जाती है. That's called scab. Now you understand? Okay, good. So then what should we do? Okay. After that, what happened when we got when the scab come over? The scab drops off when my skin is better, and there came a new skin on it. Yes, very good, Shafe. When the scabs goes, the new skins come over, and mom says, what mom says? Don't pick scabs. They help to keep germs out. You know, the scabs keeps the germs out. So don't try to take off the scabs. We usually take off the scab from our wound. Exactly. Okay. Yes, Shafi, your turn. Colds and germs. Colds, colds, olds, germs. When our tissue. And what dad says? Pass. Yes, exactly. You know, colds and germs. I take care with germs when I have a cold. I use a tissue. That says try not to pass germs on. But how can we can't pass the germs on? What should we do? Yes, Kartikesh, can you please read? Yes, a tissue helps to catch my germs when I sneeze. So that's how you can't pass the germs to others. Whenever you use the tissue, whenever you sneeze, use the tissue, or you can just, if you don't have a tissue, you can just use your arm these days, especially. So, uh, what should we do with tissue after you sneeze, after sneezing? Yes? Very good. We should throw it into the bin. Yes. Nafe, please read. Thank you, Kartikesh. But right now, this is Nafe's turn. Yes, please, Nafe. Continue. Okay, how we got germs on our hand? When we got dirt and germs on our hand. Yes, when we play outside with the mud. Yes. Something else? Also when we climb up the tree, also when we are riding a bicycle, also when we are playing with our toys. Yes, Maham Kartikesh? Yes, very good. Is mom is right? Yes, we should wash our hands before we eat and after we use the toilet. We should, yes, very good. Yes, very good, Maham. Also after eating. Well done. Yes, Maham, your turn. Medicine and me. Yes, am ill. I need medicine when I am ill. Mom gives me just a little bit. Okay, everybody, what is that? There is a medicine in the picture. What else there is in the picture? Yes, there is a medicine and there is a first aid box. What is a first aid box? What should we have in the first aid box? What do we have in the first aid box? Well done, well done. Medicines. We have medicines and we have a thermometer in it, bandage. Very good. And yeah, you can do put syringes in it as well. Good, Nafe Shafe. Okay, can you take care? Look at the things in these photos. What can you do to take care of yourself? The answers are in this book. Okay, first tell me, what can you do to take care of yourself? Okay, when you go outside and the weather is very hot, what can you do to take care of yourself? Very good. We put sun cream. What else we can do? Yes, Nafe Shafe. Hmm. So that you can also use an umbrella. Hmm. Yes. When the weather is very hot, you can use an umbrella, so you can walk in the shade. Yes, Nafi Shafi, what else you can do? Yes, you can take the bottle of a big bottle of water with you. Yes, you can wear a hat, you can wear a sunglasses, you can wear a sunglasses. Well done. And what about the scissors? How carefully you can use the scissors? How can you do to take care of yourself from scissors and from sharp things? Okay, don't touch them. This is what we can do. But sometimes we have to. It's mandatory to use the scissors. Yes, very good. We should use them very carefully, slowly, and it's better to use these things in front of or in front of your elders. Okay, it's better. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, children, this will be also your homework. I will put this reader in your English class for your weekend reading. So you can read it at home as well. Now I'm going to start your English lesson. Okay, in today's class, we will learn about the words that have double letters in them. Yes, double letters. Let's see. Look. Choose. Yes, like double E, double D, double T. Just choose the correct double letters to complete each word. Yes, Kartikesh, can you please tell me which double letter will come in the first word? Double D or double T? Little. So which one come? Double D or double T? Which two letters will? Yes, double T. Excellent. Yes, Nafe. Next is your turn. Very good. The funny. The word is funny, and double N will come here, over here. It's N and then N, like this. Okay, Maham, next your turn. What will come in the next letter? Double B or double N? Pa, double N. Penny. The word is penny. So double N, double N, double N will come over here. Okay. Yes, Shafe, your turn. Double C or double N? Very good. Double N. And what is the word? Tunnel. The word, yes, the word is tunnel. Tunnel. So double N will come in this. Yes. Maham, next is your turn. This will be very easy. It's very easy. Double P or double M? Double? No. No. There is no L. Maham, we are on second last word. There is no double L over here, my dear. There, please pay attention. There is only double M and double P. Double P. The word is apple. Apple. The word is apple. Okay, Kartikesh, your turn. Complete the last one. Double R? No, you have to complete the last word. What will come? Double M or double R in the last word? What? It's not yum. Yes, Nafe, Shafe, Maham, anyone else? Tell me what will come, double R or double M in this word? Double M. Very good. The word is tummy. The word is tummy. So double M will come. Okay. Now the second question is choose any three double letter words and write their names. Choose any three double letter words and write their names. Yes, sunny. Okay, the first word is sunny. Yes, the next word, what? Rainy is Rainy. Do cloudy has a double letter? Wait. Do cloudy has a double letter in it? We need to write the words that has double letter in them. Sorry? Hurry. Well done. Well, excellent job. Hurry. Yes. Funny. Fun. Funny. Very good. Funny. Yes. Well done. Three. Three, three, three. Good job. Three. What as? Yes, yes, you are right. Three is right. THREE. Three. Tell me some other words. Letter. Tree. Okay, tree, tree. Tree. Very good. Tree. Letter. Letters. Bunny. Very good. Okay, excellent. Now let's move to the third question. Now use these words, these three words in an interesting paragraph. So this will be your homework. Okay, you will write three. Okay, Nafe, just tell me your first double letter word. Nafe, three or sunny. Okay, sunny. Nafe's word is sunny. No, Nafe, you have to make a you have to write a paragraph and you have to use this word sunny. Right now, you just make a sentence of it. The weather, very good. Weather is sunny. So this is Nafe's sentence. Yes, Shafe, tell me your word. Apple. So use the word apple in the sentence. There are so many apples in the tree. There are so many apples in the tree. Maham, can you please sit nicely? Good girl. Okay, next is your turn. Yes, Maham, tell me your word with double letter. Doll. Very good, well done. Now make a sentence of doll. No, no. Oh, yes, foot is a double letter. You have to make a sentence. Use this word in your sentence. Yes, okay. Well done. Excellent, Kartikesh. Okay, now I'm going to start your social studies lesson. In this worksheet, you will going to have an interview to your grandparents. Okay, if you don't, it's easy If your grandparents are not living with you, it's okay. You can call them and you can interview them, and you can ask these questions to them, and then you will complete this worksheet. You will fill this worksheet. But if you don't have grandparents, you can just ask these questions to your parents. Let me show you the worksheet. Oh, that's good. That's very good. So these are the questions which you will going to ask to your grandparents. When did your family start living here? Who built the house? How old were you when you moved to this house? What things were in your neighborhood then? Write two more. Yes, yes, Maham. Look, this is okay, that's good. But here you are going to ask your grandparents that what things were in their neighborhood they have, or then or right now, okay? And at the end, write two more questions by yourself. Okay. And what else? When you will interview your grandparents, when you will interview your grandparents, you can also ask them these questions. Like you can ask them to tell Maha right now, please listen to the teacher, and after that, we will discuss it. Okay? So when you will interviewing your grandparents, when you will take the interview of your grandparents, you can ask these questions to them. For example, you can ask them, tell me about where you grew up, or what was your house like when you grew up. They already then tell us what kind of house they have when they grew up. They have two-floor house. How do they live in the village? Did they live in village or in city? Or that house is made of? Okay. And you can also ask them how would they explain their neighborhood where they grew up, or what was their favorite childhood toy. Thank you. Thank you. And you can ask them what games did they play as a child. You can also ask these questions. Tell me what they were. That interesting. That's good, Maham. So it would be easy for you to fill up the worksheet, to complete your worksheet. Good. Now, right now, this is your activity time. All of you, please set your stations. And this time, I will not tell you which material you need. Just go and read the material list and prepare the things. Very good. Nafia and Shafia, please turn on your video. Very good, Maham. Yes, Nafe and Shafe, do you have the material or not? Again, very good, Kartikesh. You even don't have the plain paper sheet, white paper sheet. You don't have scissors at home. You don't have copy. You don't have this paper You don't have a paper? No, wait, Maham, wait. Let teacher start the activity and then you will start pasting them. Yes, Nafi and Shafi, if you don't have the colored paper sheet, you can use the plain paper sheet and later you will color them. Okay, now teacher is going to share a video with you. First of all, take a A4 paper sheet. Okay, wait. Now I'm going to play the video for you. First of all, cut the circles. We need five green circles and four yellow circles. Okay? Okay, very good. Now make a wavy line. Trace a wavy line on your A4 paper sheet. Trace a wavy line. Look, this is how. Nafia Shafi, you can look. We need five green circles and we need yellow. Nafi and Shafi, you just trace and cut the circle, just fix them and later you will color them. Okay. So first of all, we take the green circle. Apply the glue on one side of the circle. Everybody, show me your green circle. Yes, Kartikesh and Maham. If you don't have green circle, just show me the other one. Which color do you have? Maham, which two colors you have? Okay, you can take another one, na? Take another one. Yes, Kartikesh, which color do you have? Tell me the colors that you have. You have to draw a circle. Can you see that Kartikesh circle? Draw a circle and cut them. We need five circle green circles and we need five yellow circles. If you don't have the color, you just cut them and total we need five and four, nine circles. We need nine circles, okay? Cut out nine circles. Yes, Kartikesh. Sorry, show me you have green and yellow. Kartikesh, you have green and yellow circles. Nafi and Shafi, please turn on your video. Okay, very good, Kartikesh. Okay, good. Now, first of all, take a green circle, apply a glue on one side of it. Wait, show me. Yes, Nafi and Shafi, show me. Show me your circles. You can trace a circle. Nafi and Shafi, listen to me. What you have to do. Just take a round thing. Don't you have a tape? Take a tape and draw the inside of that circle. This is how you will get a perfect circle. Or you can take anything that is round. You can trace the circles with that. Okay. Wait, Maham, I'm just showing it to you. Please wait. This is, you have to, very good, Maham, but you need to wait. I told you to, you have to make a caterpillar in a wavy way. So this is how first we put the green circle, paste the green circle. Now stick this, apply the glue. We will apply the glue on one side of it and now stick this side on the paper like this. And now take a yellow circle and stick it on the upper side of the green circle. This is how we will do it. Yes, who is there? Is there? Yes, Karthik. Okay, wait. Look, we put the green circle and now we apply the glue on the yellow circle and we put it on the upper side of the green circle. This is how we will fix them. One green and one yellow circle. One green and other yellow circle. Green and yellow. We are making it in a sequence. And we end on the green circle. We a little bit we make a hump. Very good. This is how we will paste it in a sequence. Okay. And now take a marker, a black marker, and draw the eyes of the caterpillar. Draw a smiley face. Yes, Maham. Yes. Did you draw a smiley face? And at the end, you will make a antennas and little feet. Caterpillar have so many feet. Very good. Excellent job. Very good, Maham. Please clapping for Maham. Yes, Kartikesh, have you done? Okay, what about you, Nafi and Shafi? Why one circle? Just put it on the draw more circles. I told you we need 9 circles for that activity. You can also make a small size of circle. Don't you have any round thing that is smaller than that? Draw it, then you will get the more circle. Shafi is cutting the circles. Nafi, it's better to do your work by your own. At least you can help. Nafi, you go and get the glue. Do you have a glue? Start pasting then. Start pasting the circle. If Shafi is tracing and cutting, come on, help Shafi. You can trace the circle and he will cut it. This is how you can do the things quickly. Because you are my super girl, na? So that is why you do the things alone. Yes, Kartikesh, have you finished? Do you want to watch the video again? You want to? Okay. I'm playing the video again for you. So please watch very carefully. Wow, very good. So first we will cut. We need five green and four yellow circles. We apply first we will take the green circle. We apply the glue on it on one side of it, and we paste it on the paper A4 paper sheet. Then we take the yellow circle, apply the glue on it, and fix it on the top of the green circle. This is how, one by one, in the sequence, we will fix the circles. First green, then yellow, then green, then yellow, then green, then yellow again. And at last, we draw the eyes with black marker, a smiley face. You can, it's up to you. You can also make a sad face, but a smiley face looks much better. Then we draw antennas and then we draw the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We draw 16 feet. Yes, Kartikesh, are you done? Just show me your caterpillar, Kartikesh. Nafi and Shafe, please. Okay, show me. Have you draw? Yes, very good. Nafi and Shafe, show me the face of the caterpillar. Face. Wow, Nafi and Shafe's caterpillar also have a nose. That's a new thing. Very good, Nafi and Shafe. Now make the antennas and the feet as well. Okay, very good. Now you can color them, okay? And upload the picture in the group. Yes, now Kartikesh, clapping for Nafi and Shafe. Yes, Kartikesh, show me your caterpillar quickly. Wow, it's very nice. Well done. Good girl. Okay, Kartikesh, we are waiting for you. Okay, Kartikesh, just show me. Show me your work. You can complete it later. Just show me your work quickly, as much as you have done. Just show me your work. Very good. Your caterpillar is red and yellow. Very good, Nafi and Shafi. They make a colorful. Oh my God. Your caterpillar also have a mustache. That's great. Yes, yes, Maha. Very good. Well done, Kartikesh. Great job. Clapping for Kartikesh. Excellent work. Yes, I saw it. It's very good. Excellent. It was excellent. Yes, Nafi, what you are trying to say? Okay, I want to see the Maham's caterpillar. Okay, Maham, can you please your caterpillar to Nafi and Shafi? Great job. Okay, a star for you. And this time today I have a golden star for all of you because you did an excellent job. It's okay, well done. Okay, your class time is over now. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Bye, Kartikesh. Take care.